Okay, surface area test. This is question number 1. A rectangular prism and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the total surface area of this rectangular prism in square inches? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. We have here where it says use for base reference. You can use this as a base reference. Just fill in the side links if you want. Okay, it is optional. You don't have to, but we figured it might help you. Okay, formula, and so on. Question number 2. A rectangular prism and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the total surface area of this prism in square inches? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Question number 3. A triangular prism and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. What is the lateral surface area of this triangular prism in square centimeters? Lateral surface area, formula there. Question number 4. A cylinder and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the lateral surface area of the cylinder in square centimeters? Question number 5. Mr. Wilkins deposited $2,500 in a new account at his bank. The bank pays 6.5% interest compounded annually on this account. Mr. Wilkins makes no additional deposits or withdrawals. Which amount is closest to the balance of the account at the end of 2 years? Question number 6. Which list shows the numbers below in order from least to greatest? 5.78, negative 5.9, 58%, negative 23/4. Question number 7. Which of the following is the best estimate of the surface area of this cylinder? Number 8. The student athletic boosters created noisemakers out of cylindrical canisters as shown. Which expression can be used to find the lateral surface area of the noisemaker that will be decorated? Number 9. Look at the cylinder. Which expression can be used to find the surface area of the cylinder? Number 10. A skateboard ramp at the skate park is shown in the shape of a right triangular prism as shown. What is the lateral surface area of the ramp? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value.